Ukrainian people are... You know what? You should have a freaking... Like, once you get a house, you should have a playground. Not for your kids, but for yourself.
Yeah.
You know?
I want one. Oh my god, I always wanted to swing on the tree. And then when I was little, I never had like the miniature doll house that I could walk in like I was the doll.
You know they have like swings like in like houses.
I want one.
Just like hanging from a hook and you can
Yeah,
just, like,
I want
swing.
it. I'm
swing
so
in my house.
little.
I have one of those swings, but my parents were afraid I'd pull the ceiling down, so they won't put it up in my room.
So everybody else just in like my doorway.
Look, they have like little cute ones in like IKEA.
I really wanted a Barbie Jeep car. So today, I'm gonna get a freaking Jeep.
I know.
It's pink.
I know.
She wants it. She likes pictures.
Take a picture of her. No.
No. Take a picture. No, don't take a picture.
No, I don't want you to take a picture. No.